Every anniversary is a milestone. Wedding anniversaries are celebrated in many different ways. People around the world find that doing something special on their wedding anniversary is one way to prove their love for each other. Let me tell you about my anniversary. This is my 30th anniversary. Yes, 30th anniversary. Do you want to know my daily routine on my 30th anniversary? Did I receive any gifts from my hubby? And in return, what did I give him? So just stay with me till the end. And friends, don't forget to like this video, comment, and share with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so whenever I upload a video, you are the first one to know. How do I start my day? Chanting Namyoho Renge Kyo. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. and first thing I go to gonzo and sit to chant Namyoho Renge Kyo. Namyoho Renge Kyo. Namyoho Renge Kyo. Namyoho Renge Kyo. It's a part of my morning routine. I realized that when I wake up early and did my daimaku, I was more productive the rest of the day. I feel better. Many of you ask me what means chanting Namyoho Renge Kyo. Namyoho Renge Kyo is thus a vow, an expression of determination to embrace and manifest our Buddha nature. This is the best time to have coffee. After I am done with my chanting, both my husband and myself, we go to the balcony and drink coffee. I drink coffee and he likes to drink his tea. You must be wondering where my hubby is, as he is not comfortable front of camera, he is behind the scene. Beautiful. You can almost hear the birds singing and the smell of the fresh warm breeze. Every day I have this beautiful scene around me, birds singing, visiting every day. I love to watch them. I am really blessed to have them around me. Time to study. You must be thinking why I am talking about study. As I told you, I follow Buddhism, so to get more knowledge or information, I study. Generally speaking, the best time for studying would be morning. Reason, early morning is a time when there is very less movement of any form. You would be the only one awake in the house and there won't be any distractions. How many hours a day should you study? I feel very relaxed and study my Buddhism because we believe in faith, study and practice. So for me, study is very important. How many hours a day I study? I make it a point to study at least an hour. Back to daily routine. Yeah, let's get back to daily routine. Need to prepare breakfast, lunch. As you all know, it's our 30th anniversary and I have no option to gift my husband. Only one thing I can do is prepare good lunch for him in this lockdown. Phone call from my family and friends. Yes, I'm so lucky to receive calls from my family and friend was busy answering calls. Really, thanks to you all for your lovely wishes. I'm really blessed to have you in my life. Today, I made all his favorite things for hubby. Chicken, garlic naan and so on. And as you know, it was very difficult to buy cake from outside. He likes suji ka halwa, so I made suji halwa cake for him. Friends, Deepak is very shy to film, so please ignore it. Look at him, how he's fooling around with me. We three had a good time. Me, Akash, and my husband Deepak. Perfect pearl wedding anniversary gifts. Traditionally, the 30th anniversary is known as the Pearl Anniversary, meaning some lucky ladies may receive pearl as their anniversary gift. Yes, I know those who know me and my husband will have no doubts that I received pearl as a gift. I don't know how he managed in this lockdown, but I know him as he always planned it before and surprised me. Isn't it so beautiful? Dinner time! Yes, back to kitchen and prepare light food. Chapati and bhaji. And yes, made this yummy rabdi. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Adjusted my tripod. I thought my husband won't notice and sat for dinner. But my bad luck. Look at him. How much I requested him, but no, not at all. He didn't agree. Very bad luck. Sorry, guys. निकालो ना निकालो क्वारंटीन नहीं है निकालो
खाना भी नहीं खाना
Evening Gongyo and Daimaku. Many of you asked me what is Gongyo and Daimaku. Gongyo is to recite the Lotus Sutra and chant Daimaku in front of the gonzo. I end my day with my evening Gongyo and Daimaku. Share my experiences. I would like to talk about true faith and share my small experiences how my prayer is answered with you guys. My first experience, someone very close to me was very upset. We were very close and we are very close, but don't know the reason what and where it went wrong. She stopped calling me, stopped chatting me, not answering my call. This made me very upset. Didn't know how I should approach her. Then I left everything to gonzo and started chanting for her. And today I got her call and she wished me and misunderstanding was cleared between us. I'm so happy to have her back in my life. My second experience. As you all know, I'm a YouTuber and working very hard since few years, struggling to do my best in YouTube to gain views, watch time and payment. My leader said, Sangeeta, forget everything and just concentrate on your Daimaku. And I followed her advice and kept chanting Nam-myoho Renge-kyo. And my prayer was answered. I received my second payment on 21st April, which I saw today. Isn't it a good experiences and gift I received? So my friend, this way we spend our day. We didn't had a big celebration, but we three of us, me, my husband and my son, enjoyed our day. Spending time together, relaxing, talking, that's very important. How to live your life in any circumstances. And most important, to have love from our near and dear ones. I thank each one of you who made our day very special. Hope you loved this video. If yes, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and follow my social media. See you soon. Till then, namaste.